no Monday to Friday we're homecoming. Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Show, and thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on homecoming from the 11th to the 15th of May 2026 on Monday. While Sfiso pleads with the ancestors for patience, Mamkwanyane gives him an ultimatum. Mfundi takes advantage of Metron's happiness while Mandla goes to dangerous length to please Upindile on Tuesday. Zethu is finally out of the Kubeka house, and Mkwanyane is hopeful that normality will be restored. Meanwhile, Ukhathazile walks into a sticky web dressed in religion as Mandla loses faith in his manhood on Wednesday. While Usfiso barrels on with wedding plans, both Zethu and Mkwanyane struggle with seeing things through. Metron Khathazile's fate turns costly, and Shobane is forced to step in while Mandla's attempt is to distract Pindile from his secret causes more harm than good on Thursday. Mamkwanyane reaches breaking point, forcing Usfiso to admit the truth that shatters her. Shobane refuses to back down, but Metron won't hear a word against her beloved Mfundisi. Mandla and Pindile just can't find common ground on Friday. Mfundisi brushes off Shobane's accusations but find renewed resolve from an unexpected source, while Sifiso dreams of the new home with Zethu. Mamkwanyane's heart breaks and Mandla's most private problem lands in Metron Khathazile's lap. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.